somebody to lean on. I may just have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Hey, so just call on me, brother, if you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on.
مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Ai Allah tukuŋŋaanye maaso g'olunaku olw'olwaleero olunaku luno lwakuna nga tukusaba munange otuteekemu amagezi amalungi. Tukusaba byonna ebigenda ova mu press conference eno bitutwale maaso bitwale brandi yaffe ffenna maaso. Tukusaba otugiremu ebibala ebirungi.
Okay, talking Bambi on a serious matter, I'm more than jubilant to see all of you guys here. Thank you for the time you've spared for us. Thank you for coming to show up when I called you guys. Thank you for loving my artist, because she's my artist and I'm so proud of her talent. I'm a feminist, I love women and I love women who have talent. I love her music, she's so good at that. I'm affiliated to one of the biggest media houses. Thank you for sparing time for us. Thank you for putting up with whatever happened today. We thank you. I think we are going to make this occasion colorful. I think we are going to use positive results. I think my talent, I call her my talent, Wadenga, since the child, but I call, okay, our talent. Yes. And I kindly ask all of you guys, please, to please support her. Support her music, support her talent, build a career, stay with her. So, Daniel, oh, you're welcome. These are media people, some are TikTokers, some media personnel from different media houses, some are bloggers, actually some are vloggers.
This is a big moment for me in my music career to have so many of you here to support me. Mbebaza nnyo okunvumikiriza muninze mukutetayimu mukama bawo omukisa. Thank you so much. Manya gange Dr. Joanita Zakaria Sen Yerinya. It is also my artistic name. Ndi muna Uganda. And I've moved here, so I moved here with my family. We are here, and I'm ready to pursue my music here as well. Mva Denmark, there, twachikuba jechiri chaterera. But I really wanted to come on ground because I do have a fan base. My music is, I have something new, I do believe, to bring to the industry here. Buli Roger, you always have to bring something new to the table. I believe in my talent, I believe in my gift. I've worked hard for it. I've studied music, Uganda and Omuzungu, and Afrobeat and Afropop. And the audience in Denmark are the people that choose the country, they vote. And they voted for me and I won the competition. And I won $250,000 Danish krona, which is probably 140 M here. So it was such a big milestone for me. Nechinyongerayo wala nenyigira musicals oba muzimanyi Broadway obimanyi ebyo it's a big platform because those shows, they are 6 months. You sing for 6 months every day, 2 shows on Saturdays. So it was a big moment for me to be given that opportunity to do musicals in Scandinavia, Sichangu, and there are very few, or they are actually the only one so far in that country as a black person doing musicals there. So my voice and my gift has made a way for me to come into those big platforms. And that Bible Gamba, your gift will make way for you and bring you into great places. So that is what my gift has done. And then I spoke to my boss here and I said, babe, I would really want to serve my country. I want to go home. I miss home. Home is always home. So, and he was very willing. He was like, yeah, you should do it. I am willing to support you. Anything that has to do with your talent, he's there. He's my biggest fan, my biggest supporter. Yeah. So it's always good to have a partner that really believes in you and supports you so big. So he took a big step, said, let's move. It's not easy to move from his country to come to another country, another continent, but he, because of me and my gift, and he really believes in me, Nagamba, tugende baby, tugende tuchukube. So I am here to to inspire everyone, to inspire the young people, inspire everyone that that sees me as an inspiration in so many ways, but also to bring something new to the music industry here. Nga music wa mumuulira alimka twisty alimka twisty. So it is a music that I want to work hard to cross over with, and already I do have a fan base in Scandinavia. So to keep that fan base, but also keep the fan base here, is one of my biggest desires. So yenze neyanze zamwe balokunjagala. I'm just so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you so much for the love. I wanted to sing something for you. Can I perform for you guys a bit? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Boss, Alua Omuzungu. Natural. Lean on me. Yeah. Anytime you need me, my brother, call me, yeah, call me somebody, yeah.
A round of applause to Joe. This is so incredible. This is so incredible. You're very talented. You're very talented. We don't deserve you. Seriously. You're too big for us.
Another one. Do you guys want to hear me sing a bit more? Hey. So, this last song is called Party After Party. It is my debut single. Together with disco.
Wow. Let's do it.
My fans, are you ready? That's it.
Let's do it.
Tujikuwe. Tujikuwe, bye. Hey. Yeah. Mbadde njagala kubalagako ku maanyi, ku vokozi. Just my energy. The performance, njagala performing. It's my biggest passion, really. Enyimba weziri mbadde njagala olunaku lwa leero. Bannayuganda mbategeeze nti wendi omuziki gujja. Era mu supporting banaye tutambule ffenna ne industry tufuneyo ekintu ekipya. Sigamba nti n'ebikadde birungi n'ebiriwo birungi naye nga industry as a Ugandan we need to lift new talents. Tulina okuliftinga talents empya ng'ate tweyongereyo naffe tukikube ng'aba Nigeria bannange ng'ate tusobola. So I just wanted to just arrive and tell my fans and everyone else I'm here. Let's walk together, walk this journey with me. Let us win together. Let's get to the top together. Amen.
Oh my God. Muziki, that is so eloquent. That's very eloquent. Very organized. You know, we are living in the music industry. Okay? Being articulate. Okay? So, Joanne, so far, how many songs do you have? Do you have album? Do you have an EP? And do you have any new projects right now? Yes. And another question to Mr. Dio. What's your favorite song from Madame Joanne?
Kati music wali Party After Party is the newest single. Jerry video jeziri duli buluwamu. So you guys go and check it out. After in 2 months in April we have a new song called, it's a love song, a love big banger na yejja. So mwaka guno mbadde njagala ku releasing singles. Next year album ejja. So I'm just leading up to the album. I think so far I have like 25 or 30 songs. So we are ready with songs. The songs are there, the songs are many, and we are ready to release.
My favorite song with Joanita is Kutumbula Tonight. If you know that song. Oh no, I can't sing. I'm actually a drummer, so I can't sing, but I can drum. Because the reason why that's my favorite song is because I remember when that song was done. It was actually done in our living room. She had a keyboard, and then she was just sitting there and writing songs. And then suddenly, after like an hour, she had composed Kutumbula Tonight. So that's my favorite song.
Thank you.
I wanna be mpola tonight. To mpola. I wanna be mpola tonight. Take me back from the start, when your mind was on me, and your interest in me was, baby, how are you doing today?
So,
Yeah, we are all here, and we are here to stay for a very long while. What inspires me is love. I'm married with this amazing man of mine, my boss, my bae. We've been married for 12 years, and those has been 12 happy years. So when you hear me sing about so many of my love songs, really are inspired by a very happy marriage. I do also write some other songs of heartbreaker, Let It Burn. Sometimes you have to speak on things that everyone goes through. Everyone goes through heartbreaks. And those are songs that inspire me to write because everybody goes through that same thing. Ate nange nakiyitamu ne mpulira obulumi bwakyo era ne nkiwandiikako. But whenever people hear my songs, they say, you just sang my story. So I'm inspired. I get inspired in my relationship, other people's relationships, friends. Yeah.
Kakati ekibuzo ekirala wewagenda ebweru wavano ng'oli muyimbi oba watuuka eyo okutandika okweyimba?
I was about 18 years and then I wanted to develop my voice, so I went to school and started singing and started music and then got my academy and that expanded my voice to a much broader in so many ways. Yeah.
Kati okomyewo wano, are you looking forward to work with the local artists here? Era wabaawo bayimbi ki be wanditaza okuba nga okola nabo collaborations?
The collabos, I'll wait with the collabos because I want my sound and my voice and my talent to be heard by itself. So njagala fans, I want to build my fan base to love my sound and what I do. Then collabos ziba zijama seyo. I would love to collabo with so many artists here, but for now, bade njagala chikubamu nchitambuze nzeka for a while. Uganda ntegeere bulungi.
Wabaayo abalina bibuuzo.
Because twawulira nti nate mwalumala waliwo ebitatambula bulungi.
Among the collabos that I really ever wanted to do was a collabo with Shiba, and at that time she was with Jeff Chiwa. So we were looking for that right song. Kati bwe nalufuna oluyimba ne ndimusindikira ne Jeff ne baluwuliramu ne tukkiriziganya nga lwero ne tukola video. And she's an amazing lady. She's supportive, and she actually pushed that song to where it is. So I'm quite grateful for that collabo. It was a good one, and I still love her, and we are still in touch. Yeah, she's still a friend. Yeah.
Any other questions? Please come forward.
Okay. I'm the next big one, UG. Regardless.
Okay. Too late. Amanya gange bambita Joanita Lubega na Kasinde Nedirangabi akabiri jerengesa. Tata bamita James Lubega, Jajja bamita George Lubega, Mama bamwita Miriam Lubega, Tuba Wakiso.
Hello to everyone. I'm 16 Promotions. I work with Baba.
Abawano abanene nti sound yo ne music wo mulala muko sound ya maani kakati enyimba ezimu nziwandika there are many producers that I work with. Alfonso is a producer from USA. I do have my personal producer that's on the beat. He's sitting right there. And Dalo Beats is a Nigerian producer, and Jazz on the Beat is a Congolese producer that lives in Uganda. So these are the producers that I really work with all of my songs. Olum bazikola babiri babiri olumu omu naye nga yeyo crew Jenina. Ne sound eveeyo bulungi kubanga nina ka twist aka ka pop genre kenteekamu neba nti it's like Afro pop. Yeah.
Okay. Kankozesa Uganda nsanyuse nnyo okubalaba mwenna. Mwebale kujja, mwebale kwaniriza muyimbi waffe mu maanyi bwe gati. Twekubireko mu ngalo. Nga bwe ndi omusajja Omuganda eyeddira emmamba. Erinnya eryange mpitibwa Miro Muhammad ate agakola ssente nze manager wa Massive Promotions. Njagala nze sigenda kwogera nnyo ku music wabula kubanga ffe twagala okwagala
We have a charity, but it's not yet official. So when it's official, I will let you guys know, and some other projects due to that. So njache bategeeza ekiseera kituuse.
Ekibuzo kyange kisembayo wagambye toli ready kola collaborations right now, but I think you should be connected with the industry you're in right now. So far bayimbi kibolaba bakikubira oba the music kikigobeza mu motoka yo nga wawana wa local artists.
Abachinkubira, Vinka is a good one. Azawi is a good one. Elijah Chitaka. Morris Kira is a good one. Joanita Kawalia. Yes, I love Africo Band so very much. And if I ever wanted to do the very first collab, would definitely probably be with that legend, Joanita Kawalia. I love that they paved the way for us, and I love to just give respect to such people as that woman and the band, Africo Band. So if there be any collab to ever start with, it's definitely gonna be that lady. Yeah.
Can you please help us pronounce your name? Yes.
So before that, this is Team Bryce Media. Tuwe tusaba tukoleyo kalistiko akaba top artists. Bowulira nti mu Uganda bano abaana bakuba. Do like 6 or 5.
Vinka, Elijah Chitaka, Morris Kira, Cindy, yeah, Cindy. I was sitting by my car. Nespice. Namufuneyo generally Denmark, because I grew up there, so it came naturally for me to hook up with this one. Yeah.